everyone, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to the Virginia Tank and Maxi Sew-Along, sponsored by the wonderful Fab Clique Fabric Shop. And yeah, I know I'm wearing a sweatshirt in the middle of April, but it snowed yesterday and I am freezing, but I'm super ready for some warm weather clothes, and I'm sure you are too. And the Virginia Tank and Maxi is the perfect thing for summertime. So you could make a tank, or you could make a skirt, or you could make a dress. This pattern is so versatile. You'll be in it all year long, or all summer long at the very least. So anyway, what we've done is we've taken the tutorial and we've split it up into 5 different sections. So for day 1, we're gonna do what we always do for sew-alongs. We're gonna tape our pattern together, we're gonna cut it out, we're gonna make any adjustments that we know we need to make right out of the box kind of thing, and then we're gonna cut our fabric out. Now remember, make a muslin first. If you've never made this pattern and you don't know what adjustments you need to make, please make a muslin. Don't use your fancy fabric right out the gate. Don't do it, you'll thank me later. Day 2, we're gonna talk about the tank top. Whether you're making just a tank top or you are making the tank top that will attach to the skirt to make a dress, we're gonna cover that, all right? Day 3, it's all about the skirt and the pockets. That one will be easy. And day 4, we're gonna connect our tank with our skirt via a waistband. Interesting, right? We'll even talk about a waistband if you're just making a skirt. And day 5, we're gonna finish things up. If you've got your waistband all together, you're all connected, you're gonna hem your skirt, right? That'll be finishing it up if you're doing the waistband version. If you're doing the casing version, we're gonna cover all of that on day 5, including hemming, all right? So that is our full Virginia Tank and Maxi Sew-Along. It's pretty awesome. And one of the awesome things about this pattern is it comes in both children's and adult sizes. So the whole family can be living in a Virginia Tank all summer long, and all winter long for that matter, because it's a pretty awesome pattern. So I'm ready to get this thing going. Let's get ready for day 1.